AI can help you write blog posts in minutes, but most of those posts, they never rank. Fast content is easy. Effective content isn't. This video breaks down how to use AI strategically so your posts don't just exist, they perform. The first step is to start with search intent. Before prompting the AI, research what your audience is actually looking for. Use tools like Google's People Also Ask, Keywords Everywhere, or Uber Suggest. Feed that context into your prompt, not just a topic. Secondly, structure comes next. AI tools like ChatGPT can draft outlines but guide them. Tell the AI to include headers, transitions, and clear formatting. Think SEO from the ground up, not after the fact. Thirdly, layer in your own insights. Let AI handle the foundation, but add experience, examples, and angles it can't generate. This is what separates real content from robotic content, and Google can tell the difference. Fourthly, polish with optimization tools. Run your draft through Surfer SEO, Neuron Writer, or ClearScope. These tools match your content to what's actually ranking, so you're not guessing. AI is a tool, not a strategy. Used right, it accelerates what works. Used wrong, it creates noise. If you want to rank, combine machine speed with human thinking. That's what search engines reward.